Welcome back to another beautiful Vancouver day. Guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my vlog. Have you ever wondered what it'd be like to see a Bugatti? Or what it would be like to sit in a Bugatti? Or maybe what they cost to maintain? I know these are all questions I've always asked, and I know exactly where to find one today. Let's go. Let me ask you this, why is this thing always going off?
Laser alert.
Who do you think
Turn
would have
left.
a Bugatti in Vancouver? There's a very select few who would have it, but most of you know who this guy is. We're gonna see him. Out of Bugatti. Oh my God, what is happening here? Oh my God, I don't even know what to say right now. He had a Koenigsegg inside, we'll have to see if it's still there. Just talking to Raymond inside, but he's got a scratchy voice, he's feeling a little under, so he's not gonna be on camera today. But I will show you guys around at some of these really cool rides, like this Evade right here. He was just telling me he's the only one in the world he had custom built, but I can't register it anywhere, so it's kind of useless. It looks really cool though. We'll just get a montage of it and move on to these other cars. Don't hate me, super cool car or truck, but for me, the one today would be the SF90. It'll never happen in my lifetime, being it's 1.5 million US dollars, but let's get a shot of it. Well, maybe it's not your cup of tea. Maybe the SF90 for 1.5 million US isn't for you. What about a Bugatti Veyron? One of the fastest production cars ever made. Set the bar, $1.2 million, 1,000 horsepower. What else does the guy need? Quad turbo?